Hi, I'm Diana Hoffman, and I own Active Healthy Lifestyles, and I'm so glad that you have purchased an Air and Surface Pro or Pro Plus for use in your home, in your business, or office. To make it easy, I'm going to do a recording here so you can see how to clean it. Obviously, you turn it off, you unplug it, and the first thing I'm going to do is the top. And during the week, when you're just around the house, you can do a simple vacuum and just help get some of the dust out of the unit. And you can do the same thing in the back, because the back has an open system as well. So you can just clean that off and do that anytime you have your sweeper out. That's a good thing to do just on a regular basis. The unit will tell you when it needs to be cleaned. It's every 30 days. And you want to do it then. The first time you clean, you're going to have more dust because your house isn't used to being so clean. And then months down the road, you're going to notice less dust within your unit because your house is keeping up with your house. The first thing I'm going to do is the top fan. So if you'll move up, there's 2 screws here. And I'm going to take off the back first. It just pops off. This you can dust off. If it gets really dusty, feel free to do it in the sink and use a sponge and just wash it like you would any other dishware. And then you have the filter. This is a HEPA filter here and your carbon filter here. And again, you clean it by using the vacuum. Maybe towards the end of the year, you can, after you've had a number of months, you can also run it under water and clean it that way. Be sure it's dry before you put it back together. Okay, so inside is your RCI unit. That's what has the Active Pure. That's what's cleaning your air of germs. It's cleaning the surfaces of germs. Okay, so you just unscrew these screws. And I have a little container that you can put the screws in so they don't accidentally roll under the refrigerator, because that's where mine go if I ever drop them on the floor. And you remove where it's attached here. And this is the RCI unit. This is what has your ultraviolet light in it, as well as other technology that again gives you Active Pure that kills the germs on surfaces and in the air. So you can sweep it. Depending on your item of choice, you can use a sponge and dust it off, or you may prefer using a damp cloth and just dampen it in the sink. I do provide a cleaning kit, so all this comes when you order your air purifier. You'll get that. Okay, so we're going to leave that out. We're going to take out the ozone plate, and there's a toothbrush, and again, run it under the sink and clean it off. That's all there is to it. Okay, then we're going to wipe it down inside. There's 2 little silver prongs that you want to get, and wipe those off so the contacts are good for on here. We're going to put it back in. There's a place that it slides. And then again, you want to take your dust cloth and just dust it off inside. You can't see it from here. Maybe you can get the camera in a little closer, come at a different angle. You actually have the circular radio dial. That's what sends radio waves out in every 60 feet in every direction to dust your home. And everything you breathe in travels on dust. So this is sending radio waves out. It has a positive charge, brings the dust particles to the floor, and you're no longer breathing them in. So that's how you stay healthy. With the RCI unit, that's what's killing germs. And we have scientific studies to just show you all the germs that it kills. This machine is totally awesome for your good health. So you're going to use some denatured alcohol, dip it in there, and this radial dial in here, you need to clean that off. So you're going to reach down in there and clean that off as best you can. And you also could take maybe your cloth in there and do the same thing, or your sponge, and wipe it down just to get as much as the dust off of that as you can. All right, and we're going to put this back together. The screws go in the top. So it's pretty hard. You can't mess this up. It's pretty easy. All right, put the screws back in. Okay, I've already removed the screws, but there's 2 screws up here at the top, right here and right here. So I'm going to lift the lid off, and I'm not going to put the back on until I'm done with the top. As we've shown you before, you can either sweep it, you can take your dust cloth. And by the way, I do not provide the sweeper. You need to provide your own sweeper, and the one you have in your home is probably stronger and has more power to clean than what this little one does. And again, you can start off by using this on the blades. Do around the outside edges as well. And then get your sponge or your cloth, and you want to get the backs of the blades. So you reach in there and do the backs of all the blades. And like I said, the first couple times you do this, your blades are probably going to be pretty dusty because they're really doing a great job of cleaning the dust out of your air. And remember, they're dropping the dust down. So it's not what comes through the air purifier, but it's sending the negative and positive charges out to every corner of your surface and getting the pollution and bringing it down to your tabletops and other parts of furniture. Okay, so we're going to put this back together. That's the wrong part. There we go. This is pretty quick to clean. Okay, I'm going to lay it down on the side. And you notice I have a towel to set it on just to protect the unit a little bit more. Okay. Now my screwdriver is magnetized a little bit. That does make it a little bit easier to do the screws. You know, it's all about being healthy. And, you know, some people have immune systems that aren't as good as what they used to be. As we age, our immune systems aren't as good. We have more sicknesses. You may have friends who have cancer. You may have family members who have allergies. This just works so well to help you stay healthy. And that's the whole goal of living, is to be healthy and being able to do whatever it is you want to do. All right, we're going to stick this back in. This has 2 little notches here. So you match it in with the notches that are there in the unit. And then it goes right in there. This just goes on. Again, it has 2 notches at the bottom. You find them here. Push it on and you're a done deal. You're ready to go. So that was quick and easy. You now have a clean air purifier. If there's a reset button, you'll need to set the reset button so it starts over again. So when you plug it in, be sure you do that, and that'll set it for the next 30 days. So again, I'm Diana Hoffman, Active Healthy Lifestyles. This is how you clean your air purifier. Be sure to share it with your friends. Thank you very much.